Vexen? Hey, you crazy dog. What are you doing? What are you doing? You got a whole bed full of toys that you brought in there. Hey. Crazy. Vexen. Here. Show Grandma your toy. Your toy that's as big as you, huh? Yeah, but you still get it. Get it, Vexen. Get it. Good girl. As long as you're in your pen and you're being nice, you're good. Oh, did you make it squeak? You made it squeak? And there's your sweater that you got out of and you're running around the house naked now. Yeah. Vexen. Yeah, you know your name. Hey, hey. Calm down, girl. Calm down. Oh, that's your blankie, your little bear blankie. And apparently you don't want it in your bed anymore. Yeah. Hey, this is what she does when she gets tired, because she tries to fight as long as she can, and she has this little devil dog routine, and then she crashes. So I'm waiting for that. Vexen. Vexen. Oh! Where's your monkey? Look! There's your hula monkey. Shake it. It's a bad monkey. Okay.